Hey subscribers, today I'll teach you how to install Ubuntu as virtual machine on Windows system. To get started, you'll have to download two files. One is Ubuntu ISO and VirtualBox. Both the download links will be placed down in the description box. Click on the first link, which is Oracle VM VirtualBox. This website will appear. Click on Download VirtualBox and select Windows host as we are installing it on a Windows machine. Then open the second link and click on Downloads and Desktop. Then again click on Downloads. The download should start immediately. It's a 1.8 GB file, so it might take some time. Both the downloaded files will be in the Downloads folder. Copy them to the desktop. So first let's install VirtualBox. Click Next. Proceed clicking Next. Next again. Yes, install. Click on Finish and the application must open. Click New and type Ubuntu. So this must automatically detect its Linux type and version Ubuntu 64-bit. If the 64-bit doesn't show up, then here's what you have to do. Turn off your machine and power it on again and open BIOS. BIOS can be accessed using the function key. In my case it was F2. It varies from brand to brand. Now use the arrow keys to open configuration and check whether Intel Virtual Technology is disabled. If it's disabled, please enable it. Click Enter and use the arrow keys to select and again Enter. And the instruction to save the settings will be down below. In my case, it is function plus F10 key. Press that and your PC will start rebooting. Now let's continue from where we left. Allocate the memory size equal to 2048 MB. That's 2 GB. Click Next. Click Create. And then click Next. Click Next. And make sure that the available size is 10 GB. Click Next. Then click Start. And select the ubuntu.iso file which we downloaded. Click Start. And your Ubuntu installation should begin. Now click Install Ubuntu. Click Continue. Leave it unchecked if you don't want to install third-party software. Click Install Now to proceed. Click Continue. Select your location. Click Continue. Type the username and the password. Click Continue. And this process will take some time. So leave your PC idle. You'll get an installation complete message. Click restart now and your virtual machine will restart. Just close the virtual machine and open it again. Click on the username and enter your password. You have successfully installed Ubuntu as a virtual machine on your Windows PC. Thank you.